Our students don't just learn about designing games, they design games, and you can too here at Boomsatsuma. Our degree programme gives you the freedom to explore, to push the boundaries of what games can be. We respond to the industry as well as student needs. That means you'll always be learning skills that matter, taught by people who know the business inside and out. From coding to 3D modelling, narrative to sound design, you'll get hands-on experience in every part of the process. Our course is designed to teach you all the skills you need before you leave university. And with our in-house partner Venture Studio, you won't just be learning, you'll be working. Real projects, real clients, real experience, and yes, real pay. If you've got the passion, if you've got the creativity, we'll teach you the rest. What matters is that spark, that drive, that crazy idea that you can't stop thinking about. That's where the magic happens.